Uncle Rest, good evening. Pacho, I'm your team. Why? Pacho, why? Okay, yeah, it's still possible. I mean, Mama Tina, 2 minutes.
Pacho Temeka.
Conclusion. Yes, Uncle Rest, welcome back. Pacho, meeting.
Thank you. Kakra meka say me no menye MPP ni ana me so menye NDC ni me party agu CPP.
Okay.
But between MPP and NDC there, I think say if I have to vote for any of this party, I'll vote for MPP because MPP bar there are some programs be on the bar. Sebi eboa eskafo eboa ehiafo na kufo de bar ye na kufo de ne Bawumia de bar ye. Nti no in terms of kakra fa MPP ho no.
Okay.
Na meka say sister no kasa was no kasa the sia no. Wa ya de pa I think say MPP ade ya say mu hu say mu hu aye Ghana fo ahi. That's the fact. Mu hu aye Ghana fo ahi. Abato no che say umkoto che say mu hu aye Ghana fo ahi. Instead of say mo back together, na mo have this strategy be you can win the people's back no. You are campaigning against yourself more than say na mo campaign against way NDC. I am very very sad. Sometimes I would say with asama like moki kachira mo ho no a I am very 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 sad. Assemble ho no ma wo be kan but to take it back no. Ebia nto na kache o magiatum. But na ne ya na ya ntina nsema wo kachira mo ho no nsem na etoso man hwe yi a you cannot repair this. They say we 2028. What I say omo giran na me giri say omo giran na no obi a my president Dr. Bawumia. If I have to vote for Dr. Bawumia, I will vote for him because of declaration, because I believe in declaration. Say a bit me stop corruption. A bit me stop corruption. For that one I will vote for him. But omo giran na obi a on strength. Until I say with me strategy with me come together. Now with strategy
strategizing.
Yes. You can win the people's back. Say by 2028. But as a more campaigning against him too much. As some training here, and I'm facing no obia wini biano. The person has to be careful with the nkofo obia ponto na appointees because MPP lose and be brave appointees no. Appointees and MPP appointees, most of them they were greedy. Omu ye greedy. Omu do mo se meri na didi. Omu didi we so kaka na aka no ma se tietia so. But omu timu aden. That's why I can say Okudjota Abraka it me placing crofo in ministries in places are omu information den ebre no because MPP ni ebe bre boa party na position be say ko mpe etutua. Tua. No, it's too much in the MPP. It's too much in the MPP. So who said MPP ni be ye juma like say that we ye juma more me. Me no I am surprised say party ni be ba that position be a we deserve no. Omega say tua cancer na the amount. You know this greediness in the club like Omaba Sesian it's too much and the Kufua who like Bibisa, but this appointees no buying is too much. Even scholarship planner say omodema say cancer enya for mano. No more say ton na ebrim de we omukunu. What I say is very very sad. You know they have to work on that. It doesn't matter who become the president. So by your president, I say appointees say someone here call they will destroy your government. They will destroy your government. You know, whoever comes, the chief of staff has to be very, very strict. The chief of staff, now, so you're very, very strict on appointees.
But Uncle Rex, I say you are very confident. Say MPP will come back to power. I didn't hear.
MPP can come back to power because say Ghana for better Obama NDC, not MPP fire bonnet.
Okay.
MPP NDC is not option because omuba there were particular people be omu enjoy. But say MPP bar because say Tomakufo bae Kufo police kura no. Say yellow police no. E bo madam fo we break am timi di wura police ni. Kufo ba ye akuafo o ka say omundua omo odwe bi o mfa na tick. Udua tick na every man bi asata na otu omo ka say 50 Ghana. Farmers every man bia otu omo ka. Health insurance o de ba ye. Eboa ahiafo. What I say? Akufo do buy free education. Aboa nkofo bebre. Nti no say nkofo be to ma NDC. I just say MPP aya boni bi. I'm just say Ghana for hu o mahi. I just see no so no. In fact, Ghana for hu ye MPP ehi pa. Nti no I say mutimi come together. Find a strategy a mbetimi e dey win nkofo no back. 2028. That's why I done there. 2028 a done there, but someone jumped to Kwanoa because honorable Yabu Maka Sembi was it in some more catcher mohono. You know, be a timidity at the check. You know, be a because of that chill, but Nakuma Muno, not a womb. Into some more catcher mohono from the supporters to Penifuano. It was some year because I said, one. Taking it back. Thank you very much.
Midas Uncle Rest, thanks for coming through. And that's an advice from a CPP member to Yena Yawo MPP. Mama Tina Pacho Bremo, but Auntie Sabana, you were making a quick input into what did you say?
Your friend say because of our internal issues, I'm not NBC for no one. Yes, we are a Ghana for you. Ghana for NBC John Mahama by 1 year show. Now, say, they call for another that's what social media. That is why some of you think you're Ghana. If you're Ghana for you, we have a lot to tell Ghanaians. I'm on my compare. So, what I say, you compare and contrast.
All right. Midasi. Your Mama Tina, Pacho Bremwai, 2 minutes.
The voice near Uncle Rest can right because Yankasa MPP for no. Yankasa na yegu yo ho anim ase na se me koka MPP ho MPP ni ho asem ya me pese yento abamfa ma no dabi yento emfa ma no enti se yenya se yegu yo ho anim ase a the same thing obi no we can say nipa kura wo ne adwompa ati ne se no ka fa wo ho na me ya metenchen de ne me kan fa ho so enti se yenya se ye take one person there ye party no next 8 years ye better ase home because near omope no yenya maso ye be competition biem because nipa no ye pese okono owo nanso bebre ya NDC for a record de ato na monkoto abama no ye nhwe ade na ye nwane na ye mfiri ye party nipa ne o de ade pa beba na ye dwane ye gu nanim ase for nothing ye nkoto ma omo the voice me da se bebre nya me nchira.
Midasi Mama Tina, thanks for coming through. It's still possible, 2 minutes. It's still possible, Ada. Yes.
I love all NPP. Oye dickness ana so of mame.
Serious of mame, wasisa, wasakra. First and count me to Japa.
Okay.
Auntie Sabina no.
Oh, hey! Because the dickness been away BPO ha. The voice.
Yeah.
Dickness Sabina. All I love is NPP. And I love all NPP. The Yamians wakasapa, but wakasa to say Pentecost suffer yere. Now, so baby, I do need it. But Miss Sabina starting, then I will sound this about actually who said now fire power, which was very good. And you know, dickness in the Kamesra Fatu Kakara. Ne Bobugano. You 20 a year, January 16, 2026, Nana was welcome back to dickness, Jumano. Why? You hear fire, you know the power.
Give me the somebody assembly. Maybe a man can me boa. Me de pa somebody assembly. And she said, and one to my trim who said, oh, be by na be provoking ya. By having again. To me, the internal will be already my trim. My trim from that other more observing.
Hey, Asebe, remember say yes sir, wala ye hiam di bra. Ye hiam o doctor camp. Ye bra, ye gbe adwuma no. The voice. Me pass
Yes.
for MPP delegate for bra ye nyomu ndi nkomo MPP delegate yes sir mo. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Our promises nice one. Come be si we are sit da. E no dey ba. Mo mpe we mo pede Moko America mbom friend county. Uko UK ye friend barrel ne council. Ghana de ye friend constituency. Na the boys busa abrochirefo no. Ekurase, abrochire kurase kura ko ta o. Abrochire kurase bia wo ne shopping center, ne town center, ne shopping center. Se ni bibi kakra bi. E dan tu kura ne si wo kura futuro ni ho. Eno na se decentralization no. Ema development eba ntokrumu baabia we bi na Ghana ye hia. Ghana is a developing country. Sade we bi si wo Africa da. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say obeye constituency based budgeting. O medane no ho ato forcing. No ko hye ne space at ne space aye take ti se Coca-Cola bottle to. Enko gyina malata dwom mokola dwom ko miemie ma ne nufu ne omoto ne apron no no mo sresre no ko tena finance ministry ko kan kire ye say pad ye 25 cities na ba 10 cities enko gyina finance ministry o me gyina parliament me kan kire ye say ye kan say ene tujimi mu ye 10 cities yenka san kwase for 6 million ekoto abama no hu no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say constituency biano muni mo hemfo muni mo district committees muni youth leader ye de mimi uba me village am na me gang leader wo youth fo no ma no na mema no so mo de ye wo ho de nyina ahemfo tese obi biara obubuafo wo yalefuo teenager akola ye nyina ye kohie mo community center wo ye constituency ni adwendwen ho. Constituency A de na hia yen bia ye hia ya kwan o. Constituency B mu de na hia mu school dan mu hia na ni manimu ya yes the shortest possible time ya here in order of priority na ye wia the voice ya high brass band ni ya high bass ni ye gum ne de hia na tenam ne de chinya aka ho ni ya bo chenchenche ne de aba Jubilee House ni ya sa ne de abre doctor so doctor ade ye hia yen ni o. O constituency based budget ye paper ni book ni so ye so yentimi ma no ye de be me ye PM MP and now say executives ni bi no man kasa dia bre anta the be finance minister na anta tena finance ministry adoso ma ye kama ni ya location amo bia eti the voice say wo constituency na wo se wo pe kwan ana solid dan ana se school dan ana astrotef no ana wo constituency B na wo se yenye wo astrotef ma wo first in order of priority because wo constituency dem nantie bobo wo ho pa talent wo ho enti wo de sports ne hiam enti yensi stadium yenye astrotef ma yenye sports ne ma mamu eno ne be start ya mamu na woni ma de ye me de wo ho doctor say sa constituency based budget no enpuntunduma na odiba constituency no onkonkofo bi wa Accra na odi aba constituency o onkofo bi wa Takoradi onkofo bi Kumasi onkofo bi Koforidua na odina ba genegene dabi munna mu wo genegene wo no munna ye be yimu contractors e wo genegene wa ye wia ye mason every genegene wa ye carpenters every wa eti woni me beba ebe masika atena constituency ni mu the voice de bia Ghana fo emema mu complain na Ghana fo ma pesika se na say yes ema ye pene ye de ye pesoko sika ne se omuboto na munyi man ya ene Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so de sika ni be hye mubotom musi mubotom sika na muniska doctor so de sika ni be hye mubotom o no atete agu ye so ama ye di ye bia bonkwan se pika mamo na ma ware yen me si Ghana be ye de papa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ba constituency mrantie mama wa teenagers munyina mu twi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia sa constituency based budget your dibe sika be hye nyina botom na ayi ewa wo nya sika kakra wetimi esi wudan kakra wo si wudan so wo so no de kakra wo ho na ne ye mayi ya poye nim kokko ne ye giant sa ho tuntum Coca-Cola Fanta face Coca-Cola body na ne meme mu be fa mu na tena mu de atena car front ne ye reaching am o se krase you know e krase girls sa na yo mu ye nene mu jijigu yes mu de ye kocho ba to choba restaurant to restaurant mu jijigu yes so say peche yeah Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana ye the constituency NPP for member Ghana for member youth mu nyina mu ndi akiro na sa de we enye ayi for pere e be boa ayi kan say delegate na sa boa Ghana for ememu wa mu fa desert so e risk mu life Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say na memu no wo chefa wo mu ye be mama ye wo metu bata e ma akra meda se akomentutu mewe malaria mewu na mewu ebusuafo ni da wo so talent bia wo bia tena constituency sika ne beba na mo me the voice efutu am ditu mu say sika ne ba mo fa nko fa ndisi fo ma ndisi fo ma mo yetutu botom fo mo fa ya NPP fo ma na sika ne ntena NPP mu sa na me pese me kire wo ko fo ba ya ndisi bi ba ye be yi wa firim eti doctor di oba constituency ebe ye de obia be didi yeah Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia me dey be do me twen ma start e pom anim endu 2020 manim na e red na me nsan wona yetuntun ma de agigim sa pepepepepe
yo
me be ka ba ko nso me de esi the voice Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia se wo ba 10 appointment per constituencies now 10 appointment no CEO ayi for nkan ho board directors nkan ho enu ye separate enti no so ba ministers any you can say CEOs no ye more past and present delegate tie me the voice listen to the keywords past and present delegates and then appointment enye present delegate pe NPP for first, we are delegate to a baby and be any about your brosco to a baby. Doctor say, we are present delegate, we are pastor, so one for summer party, no. You have a role to play. And to us in a memono, your money 100% or be 10% at the mamu delegate. Now more delegate, more than who shadow ministers. More than who employment ministers. Now more one appointment. Now the voice. Oh, I can't say penny bay. President Ben and on trust to Obeka Chose one appointment. They make a short myself. Niente Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia per se or Mamo NPP present and past delegate or Mamo sa opportunity Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia per se or trust in your judgment or believe in your decisions. Or domo when him some Ghana who don't him some NPP who do and Timunya mistake in that. Mubeyi obia obetimi aboa party no mubeyi obi obetimi aboa NPP mubeyi obi obetimi aboa grassroots for mubeyi obi obetimi aboa Ghana na mo man Ghana man any NPP akonanim ama Ghana ye krabehye ye nka se mumfa nkohye moving pick ekire ho na munkoye ajana 1 ajana 2 say na Canada Japan no kan say muntu mi the list bre no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia onye ni sa ho a more delegate and the voice sa to me we won pen up me dem propose
cry me so me ambassador cry
exactly
to go cry me pe
sa akanfo bo baby say to me ye ton to me akoton ma me ton papa ton bushefo nyina ne fa koje na wuji to me ni wi out sa to me na koje omo enti en the person say to me the day a NPP delegate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia apart from sa board of directors no be samono was mu be one na an appointment ama no mu mpe na mu pede on tana jubilee has no nkasa nchrocho nema eye mu na mu ko form aba mu mpe tumi mu pede be okwabra ne meka nkyere mu se mu shoe apapai mu belt atete ene mu shirt emu aduratu mu trousers to atwa kanko Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wonte sa wo obekire mo do obepone ne tumi ni bia mamo enti NPP delegate yesere mu esemetu ahini esi ahimfo 31st of January Mama massa opportunity we empare mo da. Mun kono mo munji twi. Na mo koto aba. NPP for man say ready. Munji ngu yeso. Yeah, where scanning back on 220 now, more your appointment. Eh, baby, I be there. And the first one be me brief back. Doctor say, so more be appointment now. Yeah, don't be you book 5-star hotels now more. Na ye booking so ye besa che obi a oba ba ko jene ye de nsa be fo mutiri ho no atimi make good decisions. When ya Samson ni Delilah de ani bi we ye honhon krunkrum Adam and Eve de ani bi ye de nsa fo mutiri ho a no atimi anya sound mind. No atimi selections ni ye. Intern people delegate ye sramo Brian a champion no frem wo ko bu podo so na o mamu kodi mutu ne nkatenkwansa ekofa ahya wofo na gonorrhea atichi omo na munyom koda wo ho eye Dr. Bawumia say there bi o wo de animdifo kama munko dwena munfa can say appointment papa bi mre NPP ne Ghana me
da say it's still possible. Right, Majesty 2 minutes. Majesty woho. Anawada. Right. Aunt Sabina, 2 minutes. Na me sorry so.
I'm on TikTok. I'm coming. I'll get back to you. Hey, I was yes, you were 2 minutes. Now, I'm going to 2 minutes. I don't know my brother. And me friend is at the end. I may conclude our day.
Anything for Ghanaians or our party grassroots.
Oh, Ghanaians, with them for John Mahama, and in this 7 way. John Mahama, Ghana for media main diverting minutes and I attack over there. I reckon some of cost of woman. Mama and fire Nancy for. And I know at the first debate, I will say economy na. That's what he said. I say economy na. Because of the dollar above. And the first question that I asked, they said dollar no. A crab so na modi amana above. What a dear na modi kumwa into amana above. You know, say lazy work. Their reserve no, and on modi gum. Just so mummy na mobeka say dollar above from tea and yama above. Sika, yadi ku was a watching and yakupon ya doma. Oh, ye never 2 years, ya deba ball mine ho brano. That is what he is wasting. Was I know 8 billion. Now, but I found 8 billion, they bet me I am more minor. So, see, I cross I, yes, I have the akosha dollar, Musa de Baya, Momo Becase, dollar cofoma. Dear, a juma bet me I am for sober 8 billion or so. No, and you be cranny. The nip also been near Juma, I have friends at the end of the day, and you're binny. But we are losing it. Just so, when the budget say, you can't want to say, I know one thing, and I'm saying, the near bra $1 and then. And I know STEM school, and I'm near yes, you. Then feature a pair video on our social media. I mean, no, me and any who be a chain no more to gala, a chain no more mine. Just so, or no more pessicanity. He doesn't care. Obenya dollar. Now what they are $dollar in forex in him. Just so Baba Kacha say. And Nina crown pono. And a near my buono. And a name match a crank and yeah. Dollar and a 47 time on an aircon. So say, and the crime about 11 something do. And it's a card, 1,500. Kanya can expect to say, super tiaba say, 1,001. And yes, sir. But a dear pound, a wood jump says here. Now you're 1,500 so I'll tell about 1,001. Okay. Yeah, those are the things, the questions that I asked. Say, $1 na ya fee sika shemu bebrebe no. Said the $1 no ebe dina na ya kasa bana ye. And can you ma ye ton and I see a cotton ye ko jom na swate about 50%. I chemu 3, which are demo 35%. Now we know say dollar. Situation no so antisa. Shamu men kan okran chamu. So say oil price about for more. Ye can mon pretty. Nyankopon dom. Oil price will we are say about from baby about from. I have prices say you to be $2.12. Oko outside $2.12. But then time I buy the was on no you to be 380 something, you know. Now brought $3. And the chest say oil no born naturally about from. And your John Mahama na ama oil na about from. And the same if you think and say, well, buy oil about from tea, a yen and son or jumantin ama oil number from us. May come a cranachum and to sa. Mama, and Embrania Fair Nancy was a Ghana for.
Right.
Who now watching you, one I won't mouth. Won't mouth Ghana home. So you are happy, sir. Or this you cannot share dollar nim says here, said the woman budget. Now, China, or you're not to say COVID the Baba 2 years. Do you think says and can I any reserve view of Honoma? And can COVID the buy and a car buy no Benyasika or hen or their cotton fuel. Or their cotton oil, I'm a 1 can years so. And I'm revis on my and can for 6 months for free. Senaka any reserve go Honoma. She said, Nania Bra, dear Wahon Wine and Hona, what was assassin, no what to whom no de Besha Forex. Said the Bay, I will back us economy.
All right.
And a dollar night. Miss Ramo, was some of my enjoy Ghana home first. Now, you're fire Nancy, what church of Mahama and I say, Nya all yellow, or what to say, I want you to say. Then you walk for your sicker 8 billion. I was your friends a forex moon and a chest of Yashi. On Yashi.
Okay, Midase. Auntie Sabina, thank you so much for coming through today. Miss MPP, long time no see. Pacho, 3 to 4 minutes now. Miss Mikoye Jumana Miss Shandy.
So, my brother, how are you?
Fine by God's grace. And you are doing well with your X spaces and all, Charlie.
Oh, thank you. So I'm usually not here, but it's been a while.
Yeah.
Anyway, I don't want to talk about NDC because Ghana for say, yeah, kasa by NDC for more na issue. So they should deal with whatever is happening in that country. And I'm talking about my party. As we are going for election 2025 internal primaries now. Imagine
2026.
2026, that's right. Say, to Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Me, I don't have time to shade any other candidates. I'm only here to talk about my candidate, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, because I believe that he is our best bet into winning elections 2028. And so all NPP members should rally or must rally behind him. I say this because the last time Honorable Kojo Okonkoma was on my space, he had mentioned that. Are we aware that in the NPP's constitution, there is a section that talks or deals about or highlights that in order, whenever the party is going to go choose a flag bearer, you must look at the character aspect of the flag bearer, that it aligns with the party's definition of character. And so when you look at the case of that means that you don't have time to be jabbing people. You are principled. You believe in the ideologies of the NPP. So because of that, you put the NPP first. And we can say that Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia checks all these boxes. Boys, nobody, not even the NDC, can stand anywhere and say that Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia has insulted somebody. Yeah. Nobody can say that. Yeah. So when it comes to his character, amongst all the 5 aspirants, they all deserve to be flag bearers or whatever. But Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia stands tall. Aside from that, for a very long time, the party members or the grassroots talking about and sympathizers have been talking about, party when they come into power, fear, and person for you be here, what's not what's norm officer 4 hours, 2 hours, no more member no kasai. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is saying all of these things are not fair on behalf of the grassroots. And so he is coming up with a welfare database program that is going to address all of these things. They will have data on the NPP sympathizers and members. And you know where to go. If you're deserving of something, it will come to you. And then he's also saying that there is no longer that national base budgets now. You see that there's a huge money that has been mentioned.
okay, and then there's nothing to show for it. Typical example is the 1 million per every constituency or so. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, one
It
constituency, $1 million.
okay, but then some constituencies, they don't know what's happening to it because it came from the national budget. But this time around, the man is saying that, you see, this time you're going to be working with the constituencies. You're going to be managing your own affairs in the sense that, see, when it comes to the United States, Sister Lily is here. I don't know if UK has the same measures or whatever.
She mentioned UK has the same. Yeah.
Okay, so every state, when you go to Virginia, we pay property taxes. When you go to New York, they don't have property taxes. Every state manages its own affairs down to the county. The counties that I live in. The same Virginia. I live in Loudoun County. The next county, that is Fairfax County. On some holidays, the students go to school in my county. But you realize that in Fairfax County, they are not going to school. Same states, only about 5 minutes drive from each county. And so, what is happening? The idea is that for every constituency, you're going to be managing. Okay, so you look at a place like here in Kumasi, that's it's developed. Let me say, maybe they don't need roads. All their roads have been constructed. Maybe they need what the people need most are jobs or school buildings and your roads. That's not their priority. Some constituencies in Ghana don't even have electricity, proper water to drink. And so he's bringing the constituency-based budgets. And then also, every president, when you come into power, when you're sworn in, you have a little over 7,000 appointments that you have the right to appoint. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia is saying that for every constituency, he's going to allocate 10 appointments. That is achievable. It is feasible because there are how many constituencies in Ghana? 276. Multiplied by 10, 2,060. So let's say we want to round it up to 3,000. He still has over 4,000. So that's just the base. This is addressing party issues. He's not coming on Kasa or president. He won't do anything. See, we all got the opportunity to hear or listen to his manifesto on what he's going to do as the president of Ghana. But what today we are hearing is for the grassroots, for the delegates, for people that work for the party, the volunteers, people that have suffered so many years for the MP party. And lastly, we need a leader that's after all the brouhaha, he can